Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, the first day of December the 1st, 2021. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, first one. 2-star Sudoku, second one. 3-star Sudoku, third one. Tectonic with 4 stars. The fourth one. Then we have a binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star. Total of 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles I'm not interested, so only 6 puzzles in this additional. And I'm not going to do all of them. Only 4 of them I will solve. The 3 stars Sudoku I will solve, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. So 3 of them, half of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 3764. 3764. All right. 3764. And this one will be number 36764. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits, and for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We will see if this is really a 3 stars. So let's get started. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have 8 and the 3 in the second row. So no 8 and the 3 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and the 3, 8 and the 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, and look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Okay. Then. How about let me see. 3. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no, need to place for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4, 5, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the second column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here a 1, so no 1 in this box. Here 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the second row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the number 3 was missing. Yeah, 3, 3, 3, and a 9. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay. How about the number? Yeah. 2, 2, 1, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1 and a 9. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the fours are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. All right. 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 2. And then 169, 6, 1. How about these two numbers in the middle column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Need a 3 there. Okay, 1, 3, 8. All right. We have a pair. We have a 5 and an 8 in this column. 5 and an 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 5 and 8 should be in those 3 boxes. 5 and 8. But we have a 5 and an 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a pair. The other pair in the last column should be the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. Well. The 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and the 7. Okay. All right. Okay. 7. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5. Oh, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, and no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. And now, how about, do we have all the 5s? Let me check. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. All right. Then 396. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 9, and the 6. 396. 396. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 here in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 6. Okay. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Then 2, 7, 6. 6, 6. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this big square. 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. I'm very well pleased with the time, because for this puzzle, my time limit was 20 to 30 minutes, and I've solved this in 60 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No, I think it's rather a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye-bye for now.